ya Molo ime county ya Nakuru ni GOCHIA nyorire Korosigwa ya magega yo muroberio o National Housing Project kwerwa kwa gache birasi chi laboratory amone chinyumba cy'oburaro bunensemo yo gosiregeza kwa korengana n'umwaga cyo munene uyotendetu kwa gachubu insi yo muroberio bwa gachi bw'ichinyumba cy'erigorire inse niga ABASAE baguche kwenyorera emeremo eyo GOCHIA kubakonya ase okwenyorera engere yabo yakera litiko buna Debora Kerubo agotumanyo tukobo.
Chisukuru isano korwe constituency ya Molo imeye county ya Nakuru ni GOCHIA nyoriro Korosigwa inse yo muroberio bwa gachi bw'ichinyumba cy'amagolense kwirwa kwa gache birasi chi laboratory amone chinyumba cy'obararo bunensemo yo gusira kisemi negesa kwekyo.
We are very happy today because we have received our visitors who had come to hand over the site where the school is going to benefit from the administration block and classes, as well as the hostels. This is going to improve this institution very much, considering that this is an old school which was started in 1938, and therefore some of the buildings that are there are old and definitely needed some change. So we thank the Member of Parliament so much and the government because of considering Michinda and also the provision of the infrastructure that is going to change this school completely.
Korengana no mwagachi manene oyotenere to bwagachi obo nigo bana ABASAE baguche kwenyorere yego chiko bakonya so kwenyorere ngere yabo yakera liko.
We want to have an increase on the engagement of the locals, especially the youth in this project, so that they can gain some employment in this particular site. Apart from the housing project, it's a 4.2 billion project. There are also other infrastructure that goes together with this project. There are some infrastructure that we are going to do in different schools, about 5 schools in the area. One of them is within Michinda Primary itself. We are doing an admission block and some student dormitories, which we've actually handed over the site to the contractor today. We're also doing some additional classroom in these particular schools. We have PCA Elbagon Secondary School, where we are adding some extra classrooms. We're also having a new Creation Primary, also extra classroom, Socorro Primary, and Orthodox Primary School. Because as part of this project, we are saying that the project needs to be beneficial to the community. So these are some of the things that we are trying to do so that the community benefits from this affordable housing project.
Chisukuru chioboroso ne chinyumba chiobonchereria negatiye chinyumba chigoche kwa chwa sensemeyo asebona bamenyi gwetaniye bweyemo bagochia konyore emeremo sobwa gachubo.
Handed over this project in 7th July 2025. And the scope is construction of 2,680 units, both 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms, and also some units will also be having shops. Within also the site, you're also having kindergarten. Expect to onboard a lot of labor because unfortunately foundation works has been a lot of machine-based works, so we are not able to absorb as many workers as we wanted. But once we finish the foundation works and we release the earth-moving machines, we'll be engaging more laborers and locals on this site. Also, on top of that, we're also anticipating to have collaboration with the Juakali artisans who are going to prepare what we call the windows and the doors. So all of them will be partnering with us. We'll provide the materials and then they provide the labor, and all that work will be done here on site. So we expect to be onboarding at any given time around 1,000 laborers daily on site.
Debora Kerubo and Soko TV.